How to enable or disable show notifications summary when locked on the Apple Watch 8. So first let's go back to the watch face by pressing on the crown button on the side. Then in here, from the watch face, you want to press on the crown button on the side, and this will allow you to go into app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we tap on notifications. Next, go down and tap on show summary when locked. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now it said that Apple Watch can show a notification summary or short look when it's locked. This typically has the app icon, name, and a brief headline. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or press on the crown button to go back to your watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.